today we're here with Northern UNISON, their reps and activists, looking at how we can promote equality and tackle racism within their workplace environments and also as part of their role in wider society. This is going to be an opportunity to build on many years of partnership work between Show Racism the Red Card and UNISON nationally, where we've had exceptional support from Northern UNISON regionally. It'll be an opportunity for people to take in some of the information about how to tackle racism, to look at some of the societal conditions that pave the way for the spread of racism, and for people to reflect on how they can use their voice to tackle issues of prejudice or discrimination within society.
I'm Justine from Show Racism Red Card. We're here today at the Beacon Centre in the West End of Newcastle, and today we're going to be working with UNISON. We're working with activists and representatives within the union, and the aim of today's training is about tackling racism within the workplace.
It's one of the largest organisations that is dedicated to changing the face of our society in terms of racism. It actively works to make things better.
So today's been a training event for members of UNISON across the region to bring them together to talk about how we challenge racism within the workplace. I have to say the workshops have been absolutely fantastic. The quality of the training, really good. Lots of different speakers, lots of different ideas, and a safe space that's brought people together to inform them to go back to the workplace and challenge those views.
I've just attended this UNISON and Show Racism the Red Card event. It's been fantastic, been really interesting and engaging. Equality, diversity, inclusion's been very close to my heart. So as well as being interesting, it's been very educational, some brilliant speakers, really good interaction between the groups and just learning from each other and sort of sharing best practice. So I'll definitely be attending more events in the future.
Today's workshop I found really interesting because I thought I was quite an aware, open-minded person, aware of racism problems, but I found now that there are a lot of things that influence me and what I think and say which I probably wasn't aware of. So it's awakened my awareness and found it really informative as well.